How much food can you find in this area here? This is pepper grass. I shot this yesterday. It was a little dark, so I'm doing a second video. Not the video I put up. This is another one. There's pepper grass, garlic mustard, edible, and we have knotweed springing up everywhere. It's very reddish when it first pops out of the ground. Japanese knotweed popping up everywhere. And it does pop, especially when he gets older. This might pop young days. Let's see. Well, it didn't hit the hollow spot. When it's bigger, it's going to pop. So as you can see, it's growing everywhere. What else do we have to eat? Cleavers. Cleavers. Put this in my pocket. Not the cleavers, though. Literally, what do we have? What do we have? We have edible, but untouchable right now, stinging nettle. It will sting on both sides. This is the real stinging nettle. Very edible. We're going to pick that. We'll let it get a little bit bigger. What do we got here? Edible. Chickweed. There's the white flowers there. Make sure you always check for poisonous lookalikes. There's a very small stinging nettles, only about 6 inches high here. Pepper grass. Velcro sticky, 9 whirlwinged. Look at that. Cleavers. They call it cleavers because it sticks. You see how it sticks? It's very young now. Look at that. See, it sticks to me. See? Velcro. I'll eat it anyway. Check it out. My lady likes it more than me. There's cleavers over here. She doesn't want her voice to be in. But anyway, let's go down here. What else do we have? Penny grass. Check it out. Bitter, great side dish. This whole shoreline is full of emerging knotweed. All those red tops you see. Some homes above me on the top of the hill. So I'm going to move over this way. I prefer not to be seen. That's about it for now. Some big chickweed. False calandine, you don't want to eat this. I heard you could eat it with 2 boils and 2 rinses. I never tried it. Smashed strawberry. That'll be a strawberry this year. The sun is going down. You'll get a lot of knotweed riverside. Let's use them over here.